To erase objects from photos on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open our camera app. Next step is to select the photo on the bottom left corner that you've previously taken. So let's edit this one right here. Then we can click on the AI edit option, and here you need to go for AI eraser. For the first time, it will ask you if you want to agree to the terms and conditions, so make sure to agree if you want to use that. Now we can click and just highlight the area that we plan on removing. So I'm just going to go for my camera and see how it will go. In most cases, this will look crooked and very bad. So it just depends on the background, not on the object itself. And after that, as you can see, the object is gone, but it's not perfect. You can see that the photo was kind of modified. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.